Welcome to the Bathroom Diaries. Cheers, welcome to my new YouTube channel, Bathroom Diaries. I'll be talking about controversial topics, celebrity gossip. I'll be doing skincare reviews. I'll be talking about bathroom products, from getting that nasty lime scale off your bathroom to luxurious products for your bathtub, bath bombs, everything. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, then you can see the videos below, and a lot is about photography. I do have a photography business, but I decided, let go and let God with my photography business on YouTube, and let me just be myself on my Bathroom Diaries. As you guys can see, I am set in a bathroom, and I think that the bathroom is a very important place in life, darling. We wake up, we feel rejuvenated when we have a shower, we clean our teeth, we really feel good in a bathroom. And when it's time for self-love, we set a lovely bath of bubble bath and candles, and we just make it really romantic, and we wash our wonderful crown in the bathroom. Like, the bathroom, it goes down. Not only that, but when we're on our period, we're like, God damn, I'm in pain on the toilet seat. But either way, darling, either way, we get rid of the shit and we welcome new beginnings with the Bathroom Diaries. And I hope to get sponsored and affiliated and have lots of towels. I'm gonna have my personalized, bathrobes, and I'll have my own bath business. But yeah, with that being said, cheers to that. And also, don't forget, guys, whenever people or you have guests over, make sure you always carry wonderful perfume in your bathroom. And the reason for this is that, when people do a number 2 and it really smells, yeah, you can have air freshener, but there's nothing like having a beautiful perfume, whether it be feminine or masculine, in your bathroom. And not only that, when you have girls' night out or the guys come over, they can just spray some of your perfume if they don't have any. It's just a great thing to have. So with that being said, welcome to my new YouTube channel. Cheers. And I would love to sip on this beautiful wine, but unfortunately I can't, because it's actually Vimto and it needs to be diluted with water, because I'm not really a big drinker, but we can fake it till we make it. Yes, the wonderful life.